Hi, today we're going to be talking about the features and benefits to help you choose the right hiking sock.
Hit it.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Snowy's Outdoors. Once you've chosen your footwear, you'll need to get the appropriate sock. Things to consider are whether you have a boot or a shoe, and also the conditions you're going to be in. When choosing the right hiking sock, there are 4 things to consider: sock height, cushioning, fabric, and fit. Let's talk about sock height. Here I have our no-show sock, which is great for bushwalking shoes and trail runners. We have our ankle sock, which is great for walking shoes. And we have our crew length sock, which is ideal for wearing with hiking boots. To choose the right sock, take a look at your footwear. It's very important that your sock is higher than your boot or shoe to prevent any rubbing or abrasion on your legs. Let's talk about cushioning. There are 4 levels of cushioning in our socks. We have our ultralight, lightweight, midweight, and heavyweight. As the socks get thicker, the cushioning increases. Ideally, the ultralight and lightweight cushioning works really well with shoes, and the midweight and the heavyweight are great for trekking and hiking boots. A bit of cushioning in your shoes is great for high impact activities, such as trail running and backpacking, and sometimes it can take a few attempts to get the right sock for you. If you're someone that's prone to blisters, we do sell liners. They're a lightweight sock you put on first, and then you put your hiking or walking sock over the top. It stops the friction of your sock moving up and down in your boot or shoe. Let's talk about sock fabric. Hiking socks are rarely made from a single fabric. Here at Snowy's, we sell 2 types, all synthetic and wool blend. Both are moisture wicking and can be used all year round. The advantage of your synthetic sock is that it's fast drying. The advantage of your wool sock is its breathability. So if you're asking which sock to choose, ideally the all synthetic socks work great in hot or humid conditions, and your wool socks are great in colder conditions. One type of sock we would never suggest to use with hiking footwear is cotton. Cotton absorbs moisture, and because it's trapped in your boot or shoe, it can't dry. So at the end of the day, you'll have wet feet. This is where a synthetic or a wool blend sock is much better. So now let's talk about fit. It's really important when you try on your sock that it's nice and snug. You don't want it too tight, and also you want to make sure that the heel cup is sitting in the heel area of the sock. Here at Snowy's, we sell both women's and men's specific fit, and we also do unisex socks. So if you're wanting any more information on our sock range, you can visit us in store or head online to snowys.com.au, where we have lowest prices every day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Or check out some of our other videos like this one here.